In today's video, we got a carbon fiber spoiler for my F30 BMW. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here, my name's Josh. I appreciate you guys for tuning in to yet another video. If you like my videos, make sure to give them a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Check me out over at JG Media over on Instagram. Today we got that very first piece of carbon fiber for the F30. As you guys know, you've been following the channel for a little while. I got carbon fiber all over the 235i. It absolutely just complements the car so very nice. And we got a carbon fiber spoiler from Kies Motorsports. So without further ado, let's get started. Just like that, the spoiler is installed. Such a smooth, simple process, especially when you don't have to take off the OEM stock spoilers. Because if you ever had to do that before, you know how a painfully tedious job that can be. So if you know, you know. But this is looking great. I really like how this spoiler kind of hangs off the back, as opposed to the spoiler on my 235 kind of just like sits on top and then just like rides up with the PSM style. This is more just like hang off the back, which looks really good. Carbon fiber always just does such great contrast and just gives the car just such a unique styling and just gives it that nice, beautiful look. A little bit of aggression, but I like how this spoiler is just subtle and elegant. It just looks fantastic. Heading on over to KiesMotorsports.com, we're going to go ahead and type in the F30 carbon spoilers and check out all these beautiful options. So good news for me, bad news for you guys. The spoiler I have is more of a sports style spoiler, which is a one-off spoiler we actually currently do not offer over at Kies, but heading over to the website you'll see that there is a ton of really cool options. We got a couple forge options as well, as whether you want to go a little bit of a subtle upgrade or more of aggression. We have all of these options available. So let's start with even, let's say, the performance style, which honestly has grown on me quite a bit. Brian has this actually on his F80 right now, and honestly, the very subtle aggression it brings is just, it's really grown on me, being that I've been one to run more aggressive spoilers. Right now on the 235i, I currently have the PSM style, which is right over here. So for the F30, there's actually two options. So a PSM aggressive style, which is a bit more aggressive, and then a PSM inspired style, which is it's very, very similar, but it's just a little bit of just like not as aggressive line. So then personally, I like the aggressive style a little bit more, as this is what I'm running on the 235i. But honestly, like I said, the performance style has really grown on me, as well as the competition inspired is really just, the subtle styles are really just starting to grow on me a lot. So depending on which way you want to go, whether you're going for a subtle look or even a more aggressive look, Kies has all these options for you as well. And even the cool part about it is there is a few options in forged carbon as well, which is really nice. So I don't know, maybe a forged option for the future would be cool, but the forged option is really nice. They're a little bit more money, but because the forge is just a little bit nicer. But in my opinion, even though I have an all carbon theme, I still really do like the forged options as well. So all these spoilers just super nice over at Kies. I'm lucky enough to have a sports style that is just a one-off spoiler that unfortunately we do not offer over at Kies. So big thanks to Gary over at Kies for that. So then if you're interested in any of these spoilers, make sure to head on over to Kies. We have a bunch of different options for E-Series, F-Series, and G-Series vehicles. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap up today's video about there. If you made it to the end of this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and check me out over at JG Media over on Instagram. If you're interested in any trunk spoilers for your E-Series, F-Series, or G-Series BMW, make sure to head on over to kiesmotorsports.com. I'll have links down in the description. Once again, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.